Here we are at Sandals Negril in a 2-story butler suite. It's category 1B, room 2210. This is your private patio here with quite an amazing view. You've got a nice little sitting area out here. And then as you enter into your suite, you have the first floor is your living room. It's a nice sized living room with a desk. This is a butler suite. It comes with 24-hour butler service. You've got your bar area here, and you've got this fun staircase. So as we go up the stairs, this brings you up to your sleeping area, a nice king-size bed. So you can see there's a nice sitting area, another large screen TV. Coming around the corner here, brings you into your bathroom. This bathroom is amazing. It's got a nice double vanity, as you can see. A walk-in closet with your safe. The shower is fabulous. Waterfall shower with a soaking tub. Coming back into the bedroom area, and this is probably definitely my favorite part. So here you've got your own private patio. The second level of your patio, which has its Tranquility Soaking Tub. There is a privacy curtain that you can pull. You've got a sitting area out here as well. But check out this view. You really can't beat this view. Can you imagine having your butler bring you breakfast here every morning? This is the 2-story butler suite with Tranquility Soaking Tub. It's fabulous.